The way that Rocket works, it's built on experiential learning. So humans are natural learners. We tend to learn by doing, by experience, rather than watching a PowerPoint deck or sitting, watching or reading a book or watching YouTube. So by using experiential learning, we are creating a learning environment where participants are experiencing something that they maybe haven't done in the past, but then importantly they are having a chance to review or reflect on that experience, either themselves or as a group, before then using their own skills and knowledge to understand the new strategy that they need to put in place before planning and then iterating that cycle again. And that is the whole cycle of experiential learning is critical if we want to deeply embed a new learning experience. So for instance, take learning to drive a car. Most of us didn't go to a library, take out a manual, read it cover to cover, and then we were experts at driving. Most of us got into a car, probably floored the accelerator, hit the brake at the same time, maybe bunny hopped down the street a little bit. We worked out very quickly when we reviewed or reflected on that experience that maybe flooring the accelerator wasn't a very good idea. But we came up with a new plan which allowed us then to get a little bit further down the street before we stalled that car again. Now, by third or fourth iteration, we're not going to win an F1 race, but we've started to build up a level of competency around that experience, which is helping to drive our performance. And then as we continue to evolve over time, we build up those skills. Now, within most businesses, we realize that in order to be good at our jobs, we need to have an experience. But how are we going to get that experience within the workplace? Making mistakes in the real world can be costly. So by playing Rocket and simulation gaming, we're able to make those mistakes in a fun, safe environment where actually you can't do anything wrong, but you can build up your level of knowledge that you can take back into the workplace.